Hello students, this is science class for class 10th and today I am going to discuss the topic types of chemical reactions. So let us see. Combination reaction. So what is combination reaction? Actually, when two or more substances combine to form a single product, such reaction is called combination reaction. For example, when nitrogen gas and oxygen gas combine, it forms ammonia. So nitrogen and hydrogen combine to form ammonia. You can see in this reaction there are two reactants and there is single product. So product is single but the reactants are two. Okay, it means in this reaction, two reactants combine to form a single product. So this is combination reaction. We can take one more example like reaction of quicklime and water. When we put some pieces of quicklime in water, after some time the reaction takes place and due to this calcium hydroxide is formed. Okay. So again you can see there are two reactants and there is only single product. So in combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Okay. Now another type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. Actually, what is decomposition reaction? In this reaction, a single substance breaks into two or more substances, or you can say a single substance breaks into two or more products. Okay? It may be due to heat, it may be due to sunlight, or it may be due to electricity. Okay. For example, when calcium carbonate is heated, it breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So you can see in this reaction there is single substance and it breaks into two substances. So there are two products but there is single reactant. Okay. We can take one more example. When ferrous sulfate is heated in a dry boiling tube, then a reddish brown residue is obtained in the test tube along with the release of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. So we can see this reaction. Ferrous sulfate, when it is heated, it gives Fe2O3. It is iron third oxide and it is reddish brown color substance, and along with this sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases are released. So, now again you can see there is single reactant, or you can say there is single substance and it breaks into two or more products or two or more substances. So, this is decomposition reaction, and actually these decompositions are due to presence of heat. So, we can say these types of reactions as thermal decompositions. Okay, because when the substance is heated, it breaks into two or more substances. So, this type of reaction is actually thermal decomposition. And we can take one more example. Silver chloride, it is white color salt, and when it is exposed to sunlight, then it breaks into silver Ag plus Cl2. Okay, it is white color salt and it is gray. So, white color salt changes to gray because this reaction takes place in presence of sunlight. So, this reaction is called photolytic decomposition. Photolytic decomposition. And now this class is over here, and we will discuss some more types of chemical reactions in the next class. Thanks everyone.